Yes, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a video on a crypto we haven't covered in a while. Pepe, which actually was a little bit bullish yesterday. All right, so we'll talk about that. We'll talk about what's possible from here. Is it still possible to do something like this so that we can continue up to the levels around 8,000 and 8,500? Or did we just get some sort of bullish momentum here? And was this it? All right, we'll talk about everything I think you need to know. That's at least my goal with these videos. So that's what we'll do. Now, yeah, I think that's it. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guides for if you want to learn how to trade yourself as well. Some of the trades we caught, we are short on TRB right now, for example. That's actually in a loss to be transparent. But we have caught this rally right here of A gold. We're in a position on curve right now, long. If you want to have trades like that, links will be down in the description. But for now, on to Pepe. So the thing is if we actually take a look at some statistics, because most of you know that I like to look at all the numbers. What you'll see is that we had a big surge of volume for Pepe, like a huge surge, and also an open interest. But ever since, basically since since the start of Saturday, at least in my time zone, the open interest has started to drop down. Volume is still increasing, but it's not looking too great for Pepe. Also technically, but we'll still get to that a little bit later. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, a lot from Bika, a lot of Turkish volume, so it's probably some sort of manipulation that's going on here. And that's actually positive, all right? Because technically right now it's not looking good for Pepe. Like I said, the open interest is already dropping down, which is a bearish indication. And then on the other hand, we also found resistance at quite a strong resistance level and then got a bearish breakout right here below the 100 EMA. So that's technical bearish confirmation. And just purely based on that, I would say it's just the most likely scenario and almost the only possible scenario that Pepe will continue to drop down towards 6,500 from here and then also down to 6,000. And then it will probably in the long term continue its downtrend. That's what I expect. But I'm also short on Pepe since these levels. So I might be a little bit biased. But that technically looks most likely also when taking a look at the open interest. Now, because it's manipulated, and especially manipulation from Bika is notorious. Like there's a lot of volume for Frontier, for example, as well coming from Bika. And we have seen what Frontier has done over the last 7 days. So a lot of crazy things can happen with that. So therefore, I would say that right now there's still a possibility that Pepe will rally up higher towards 8,000 and 8,500, which is the strongest resistance level on the chart right here. But for that, what would need to happen is some sort of a bullish breakout right here. I would say above 7,300. All right. If Pepe for some reason is able to do that, it would need to happen in the next 24 hours, I'd say. Then it's possible that then it will actually rally up higher. So that's the main thing to watch. I would not say it's the most likely scenario. I do think that most likely scenario is that it will continue to drop back down to its old support levels. But it definitely is a possibility, and it's also realistic. I'm not just telling you this so you can be happy. No, it's really a realistic possibility. It's not the most likely scenario. I would wait for confirmation if you want to take a trade like this. Like I said, with a breakout above 7,300. But it's definitely worth to watch, all right? Especially with this volume. But that's my take on Pepe for now. I want to wish you all a great weekend. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.